Flaws in polished surfaces are unattractive and need to be removed in a technically correct way. It is best to remove such flaws with Wurth's electrical polisher using the soft sanding pad and Trizact Velcro fabric discs in various grains. In addition to this, there is the folded sanding fleece ring and the fold roller sanding fleece, both in orange, as well as the abrasive rubber block. Tip from a professional: lay the workpiece on an aluminum or copper plate so that it does not become distorted through heat. Trizact is a pyramid-shaped abrasive for fine polishing, which produces surfaces with the lowest peak-to-valley heights. Be careful not to bend the Velcro fabric disc. This destroys the structure of the disc and can lead to imperfections in the polished surface. New Trizact Velcro fabric discs should always be deburred before use in order not to mar the finish. Begin with the finest grain. The basic rule is to use the lowest speed and the finest grain possible. If this is unsuccessful, change to the next grain up. Remain over the area to be polished and work with as little pressure as possible. Very deep scratches need cross-grinding. The flaw must be polished out completely. For optimal results, the polished area should extend out to the edges. To restore the conformity of the polished surface, the final polish must be done with the finest grain. Then work on the finish of the polished area using the electrical polisher and the folded sanding fleece ring. Work with increased pressure. With the included handle, the polisher becomes a satin finish machine. Then, mount the fold roller sanding fleece by means of the clamping mandrel. Then comes the finish. Start with a low speed of 900 revolutions and work on the surface. For the final finish, rub the abrasive block by hand over the polished surface. This smooths all transitions. The result is a completely flawless surface. The treated place is barely recognizable. Should there still be any visible traces on the metal, however, then try again using the fold roller sanding fleece on the bench grinder, for example.